Test 1. Listen. Listen to 4 short conversations and check the correct answer for each of the questions. 1.
What's your first name?
David.
And your last name?
Burns.
Excuse me, how do you spell that?
B-U-R-N-S.
B-Y?
No. B-U-R-N-S. 2.
Good morning. I'm Susan.
Hi, Susan. I'm Roberto.
Roberto? Are you Spanish?
No, I'm not. I'm Italian.
3. So, are you married, Joanne?
Yes, I am. And I have a son.
Really? What's his name?
His name is Thomas, and he's 13 years old.
13 years old? And you're only 30. 4.
What's your telephone number, Eddie?
617-535-6895.
617-535-6. Okay, Eddie. Thanks a lot.